AI's demand is skyrocketing, revolutionizing the way artists, designers, and filmmakers approach their craft. In this digital era, integrating AI into creative processes can be challenging, but Runway AI has emerged as a solution, providing accessible and intuitive machine learning features. What is Runway AI? Runway AI is a groundbreaking platform that merges machine learning with art and design, aiming to democratize the capabilities of artificial intelligence. With over 30 creative tools powered by AI, Runway ML empowers users to effortlessly generate text, images, and videos, as well as train personalized models. Runway AI features. Designed to assist individuals across various creative fields, Runway AI boasts an intuitive interface and a plethora of features to enhance creative projects. Let's take a closer look at some of its standout features. Text to video. With Runway AI, you can create captivating videos using simple text prompts. Just type out your description, and voila! Whether it's a nature scene, an animated clip, or an educational presentation, Runway AI brings your vision to life. Text to image. Transform words into visual masterpieces with Runway AI's text-to-image feature. Simply provide a written description and watch as the AI generates unique and expressive images. Whether summoning a gray tabby cat or exploring limitless artistic expressions, Runway AI turns your text into captivating visuals effortlessly. Video to video. Elevate your video content with Runway AI's video-to-video feature. Whether you're aiming for vintage vibes, retro aesthetics, avant-garde expressions, or futuristic looks, Runway AI's user-friendly interface allows you to apply various video styles effortlessly. Customize your videos according to your creative vision and storytelling needs, turning your ideas into visually stunning and engaging masterpieces. Image to image. Experience the magic of transformation with Runway AI's image-to-image feature. Turn existing pictures into modified works of art using the AI image generator. No technical expertise required. Create visually stunning photos with just a few words, unleashing your creativity effortlessly. Erase things from videos. Empower your visual storytelling with Runway AI's ability to erase people or objects from videos. With a simple brushstroke, remove unwanted elements, focus on specific subjects, or engage in intricate video retouching. Runway AI puts you in control of your visual narrative. Add slow motion to videos. Captivate your audience with the super slow motion tool from Runway AI. Transform low frame rate footage into smooth, dramatic, slow motion videos. Ideal for adding flair to your content or capturing the subtleties of everyday moments in exquisite detail. Animate images. Generate smooth transitions between images with Runway AI's frame interpolation. Ideal for creating fluid videos from still images or adding visual interest to your projects. Adjust settings and share your masterpiece. Remove background. The green screen feature in Runway AI is a user-friendly tool for removing or replacing video backgrounds. Automatically detect and remove the green screen background, leaving you with a transparent or custom background. Train custom AI. Shape your AI experience with Runway AI's personalized model training. Develop customized models for content generation, task execution, and style bias. With Runway AI, the power of AI is in your hands, allowing you to tailor it to your unique creative objectives. How to use Runway AI? Now that we've explored Runway AI's features, let's talk about how to use it. Sign up for Runway AI and use over 30 AI magic tools to upload your images, videos, or text prompts. Training your model with keywords or prompts takes about 30 minutes. And now, let's delve into some exciting use cases for Runway AI. Edit YouTube or TikTok videos. Effortlessly enhance your YouTube or TikTok videos using Runway AI. From text to video to slow motion, AI green screen, and scene detection, these features streamline repetitive tasks, making the video editing process a seamless and enjoyable experience. Edit your social media posts. Elevate your social media game with Runway AI's editing features. From text to image transformation, object erasure, and more, minimize the time spent on tedious tasks and maximize the quality of your social media content. Create your avatars. Craft personalized avatars effortlessly using Runway AI's image-to-image and custom AI training feature. Express your unique style and personality by generating AI avatars that reflect your creativity. With Runway AI, avatar creation becomes a fun and intuitive process, allowing you to bring your digital persona to life in just a few simple steps. Unleash your imagination and showcase your individuality with custom-made avatars. Enhance the accessibility of your videos. Make your videos more inclusive and accessible with Runway AI. Generate subtitles, eliminate silences, and enhance audio quality, ensuring that your content is enjoyed by a wider audience, including those with hearing impairments. Create 3D characters. Take your creative projects to the next dimension by generating 3D textures with Runway AI. Seamlessly integrate these textures to craft captivating 3D characters for video games, animated videos, and various other applications. Create animated videos. Streamline the animation process with Runway AI's tools. From text to video transformation and frame interpolation, create captivating animated videos effortlessly, bringing your creative ideas to life with ease. Restore pictures. Revitalize your old black and white photos with Runway AI's range of features. Colorization, image expansion, infinite image tools, and AI upscaling breathe new life into your nostalgic photos, making them perfect for sharing on social media or your blog. Runway AI pricing. Now let's delve into the diverse pricing plans that Runway AI offers to cater to various user needs. The platform presents 4 product plans, each tailored to different requirements. The basic plan, available for free, provides 125 monthly credits for image generation, accommodating 3 video projects, offering access to 10 AI magic tools, 720p video exports, 5 GB of asset storage, and featuring 3 editors. Stepping up, the standard plan, priced at $15 user month, delivers 625 monthly credits, unlimited video projects, 4K exports, 100 GB of asset storage, and 5 editors. Moreover, users can train 1 custom AI generator with this plan. For advanced users, the Pro plan, at $35 user month, offers 2,250 monthly credits, all AI magic tools, unlimited video projects, 4K video exports, 500 GB of asset storage, and 10 editors, along with the ability to train 1 custom AI generator. Finally, the unlimited plan, starting at $95 user month, provides an all-encompassing experience with unlimited video generation and includes all features from the Pro plan. With a 20% discount on annual plans, Runway AI's pricing structure caters to a wide range of creative professionals. Who is Runway AI for? Runway AI caters to a diverse audience of artists, designers, filmmakers, musicians, and writers, offering a user-friendly tool that transcends coding barriers. Whether you're a marketer, creating compelling visuals, an animator crafting captivating animations, or a writer seeking innovative concepts, Runway AI opens up a world of creative possibilities. It empowers individuals in various domains to bring their visions to life without the constraints of technical expertise, making AI-driven creativity accessible to all. As we conclude this comprehensive Runway AI review, it's evident that Runway AI is not just a tool, it's a gateway to limitless creativity. With its intuitive features, diverse applications, and accessible pricing plans, Runway AI empowers creators to turn their visions into reality. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating.